stay. We want you. We need you. Stay. Find your community. There's space for you, and there are other people who are here to support you and hear you and give you the advice that you need to seek out.
My advice would be find a community, and use that community to ask questions, build up your strength, build up your confidence. And then when you ultimately enter spaces where you're maybe that only voice representing, being a woman, being non-binary, you have that to draw on, because in those spaces, if you're making yourself smaller, it's not helping this larger initiative of awareness and larger initiative for you to feel comfortable and uplift yourself.
Be confident in who you are and what you can achieve, and decide what you want and just go for it. Be yourself and don't be intimidated by your peers. You will do so well, and remember not to compare yourself to others as well.
Never stop growing, never stop learning what you are pursuing, because things will always change and it's important to keep up with it.
If you're excited and passionate about tech, be open to learning different technology stacks or different languages, and never saying no to learning something new, because I think it's overwhelming sometimes how much different technologies there are out there. So it is very good to focus in on a couple of them and be like, those are my core strengths. But I think having a wide understanding of how different technologies or architectures work will help you in the long run as a developer.
As a senior developer, your job is more to produce rather than to consume. You're going to be producing knowledge. You're going to be producing proposals. You're going to be producing, I don't know, you're going to be helping other people with their careers. And the transition between those things doesn't happen simply by mastery of technical skills. It happens through development of these other skills, which actually end up being really core in being able to level up. So thinking about things like, how do I develop leadership? How do I expand my network beyond this silo I'm in? Who else can I collaborate with to learn more about other things in the industry? Negotiation skills, like taking extra workshops on topics like that. Because by the time you're a senior developer, your job is to kind of bridge the business and the technical side. There's going to be hard conversations. And those skills don't just appear overnight. There's something you're going to have to practice over time.